Welcome to another day and another beautiful home decor craft tutorial. This is Arty Crafty Bee, where we make fun handmade crafts every week. We upload new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. As always, all the supplies are listed right there in the left corner. Mainly we will need some wires, papers, paint, glue, and an empty box. Cereal boxes are recommended. Trace the leaf pattern onto a blank paper. You'll need to make at least 5 leaf patterns to make this home decor craft project. With the help of a pair of scissors, cut out the leaf pattern neatly. In each video, all the templates we use are linked in the description box below. You can use any other patterns or colors if you want to. Go ahead and paint all the leaves with your chosen color. I'm using this leafy green shade to paint the leaves. Use a thin black gel-based pen to draw the veins on the leaf. I will also draw outline on the leaf using the pen. Take some wires of your choice and measure the height and width of the box before cutting the wires. Apply hot glue on the back of the leaf pattern, then glue the wire with the leaf. Apply another layer of glue on top of the wire to keep it secure in its place. Now let's prepare our base for the craft. Take an empty box and undo all the folds of the box. We want to hide the printed side of the box. Make creases on the upper side of the box according to the folds. I will draw borders on the box using a ruler. The thickness of the border depends on how you want your wall decor to appear like. Cut out the middle part of the borders using a box cutter. To cover the background, use any kind of paper you want and glue it on the back. I will use this brown paper I received with the package. Next step is to glue the box back to its original shape, but this time glue it inside out. To decorate the box, take some skewer sticks and cut few pieces according to the size of the box. I will cut out 8 pieces according to the width of the box and 2 long ones according to the height of the box. Apply a layer of white glue on the top of the box and one by one start gluing the sticks horizontally on the top of the box. I prefer to use white glue for this step because hot glue might look too visible. Glue 4 more sticks at the bottom as well. Apply glue on the 2 corners of the box and glue the longer sticks on the 2 sides. I will make a light brownish yellow color to paint the box. I have chosen this color because it gives a nice wooden vibe. Cover the entire box with the paint. Also, don't forget to paint the sticks as well. First cut from a heartbreak. Been through it all, but now it's time. Once the paint has dried, let's go ahead and put everything together. First, we are going to glue the long stem leaf on the middle part of the box. Glue the leaf on top and also glue the end of the wire at the bottom of the box. Slightly bend the wire in a curvy shape. Similarly, bend another one but in the opposite direction. Go ahead and glue these two leaves on two sides of the box. And glue the fourth and fifth one as well. Take a long string and fold it in half and tie a knot at the end.
There's a first for everything, like her hand holding mine.
Glue the string on the back of the box. Keep the looped side on the top and partially outward the box. Cover the string by gluing a thick paper piece over it. This will keep the string secure and in place. And guess what? Your DIY home decor is ready to be hung on your wall. Not to brag, but I really like how this turned out.